What's your street name?
I just got caught in the wrong position.
No.
Notice how quickly the judge shuts him down? In court, excuses don't fly. Respect and honesty do. Already, this guy's energy is setting the wrong tone.
Court is calling 2024 CR 4372, State of Texas versus Brandon James McCaskill. That parties announced for the record for the state. Defense. And are you Mr. McCaskill? Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client? The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Is there an application in this case?
Yes, for probation, for community supervision.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? According to the plea, punishments be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution, if any, to Miles Brown. Did you understand that to be the plea? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence? Any objection? You may be excused. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
That's just that we would ask that you follow the plea agreement. My client has an 8-year-old daughter and a wife that he supports. He works as a car retailer. So we were just asking for all the agreement.
Okay. What's your street name? So, that's not what you said in the police report. You said P1 stated that he didn't know Wood's real name and stated that some, I don't know why people are still using the N-word, don't want their name to be known. You feel me? And I respect it. I go by a street name and he go by a street name. That's what we do. So what's your street name? All right, and what's the 100 on your...
Quick legal breakdown. An authorized use of a vehicle may sound minor, but in Texas, it's a state jail felony. That's not a traffic ticket. That's up to 2 years behind bars. Big stakes here.
So, let's start with, that's not your wife. That's the mother of your child. And does she have employment? All right. And she's always had employment. And you have not always had employment. No. And so you're saying you're supporting your wife and your daughter on the salary of detailing cars? Oh, but not this one, because this one was stolen. So where do you sell and detail cars?
I was detailing the vehicle and I got in the situation I'm in.
All right, what I can tell you is nowhere in this police report, many things were said, but nowhere in this police report can you say that you were detailing that vehicle. You said that Woods loaned that vehicle to you.
No, I said I was detailing the vehicle. I don't know why they didn't put it in the police report, but we always have these type of.
So you detailing a vehicle for a guy, according to you, that you met at the Bexar County Jail. Okay. So where is your shop?
Like if I met you.
You will not. Let me just tell you, you will not be meeting me at the Bexar County Jail unless you're a client and I'm an attorney, or unless I'm going to the Bexar County Jail to speak to inmates for whatever reason. So, where's your detail shop?
I'm starting from the ground up. Mobile detail.
Oh yeah. So, what's the equipment you use to detail since you're mobile? Which means you have to take equipment from one place to the other place. Are you just going to somebody's home and using their water and their soap and saying you're a detailer?
Well, yes, I go to car wash and family with. My dad in the car, tire signs, and stuff like that. See my cousin. Getting over detailing.
That's not detailing. I do that to my own vehicle. I vacuum it out.
Perfect power, stuff like that.
Yes. That's something. Yeah, that's something you can buy from any store. Yeah. All right.
You gotta start somewhere, right?
Sure. And let's hope it's not at the Bear County Jail meeting people that we don't know their names, because we don't do that. We just have street names. Definitely. Laura, I don't have a street name. When people see me, they call me Stephanie Boyd. Yeah, okay, that should be my street name, Judge. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. There's going to be a TAP evaluation. Follow those recommendations. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'm not.
When you say you'll probably be negative, why do you think it's just probably?
Since I smoked it.
Smoke what?
Everyone.
All right, you're not allowed to smoke marijuana on probation or drink alcohol.
You don't have no type of issues like that with me at all.
And here come the tattoos. Judges always ask about them when they seem tied to gang life or criminal identity. Audience question: do you think tattoos should matter in court, or is it unfair judgment?
I'll be honest here, I am not holding my breath on this guy staying out of trouble. Let me know what you guys think, if he's going to stay out of trouble or not, because honestly, there's just no shot in my mind. He's one of those defendants you can just tell the court is going to see again. And I'm really not saying that to be dramatic either. It's just the way this dude carries himself. Like, rules are optional. But the saddest part in this whole hearing for me is that this dude literally has an 8-year-old daughter, and instead of setting an example, he's more focused on street life than stability. That's the part of these cases that always sticks with me. It's just like that ripple effect it has on families. I mean, they just don't care, you can tell. I mean, you'd hope that facing a possible jail sentence would be the wake-up call, but the attitude today didn't exactly scream turning over a new leaf, if I'll be honest. Judge Wood gave him plenty of opportunities to present himself well, and he just didn't take any of them. And at the end of the day, the legal system can only do so much, so the rest is up to this guy. Yeah, guys, let me know in the comments if you think this was his last time in court, or just the start of a repeat cycle. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel, guys. Take care, everybody.
Did he really just say period to the judge? That's not sass you want to throw in court. I mean, imagine calling your boss period after a warning, except this boss can lock you up.